Hi, this is Randy Wykoff, the Dean of the College of Public Health at East Tennessee State University, and I'm pleased to provide the COVID-19 pandemic update with data accurate through November 4th, 2021. As I've done in the past few weeks, I'm going to try to address the news of the week in 3 minutes. I will start my timer now. There are four things that I think are important from this past week. The first, the world has passed 5 million COVID-19 deaths. And while it appears to be a straight line in terms of total deaths, as we've talked about many times before, it seems to be going up and down. And I'm a little bit worried that the most recent spike has come down, but now is leveling off. And so we're not sure what's going to happen next. 5 million deaths is greater than the population of half of the United States. The second issue from the past week, of course, is that FDA has given emergency use authorization, and the CDC has recommended the use of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for children 5 and over. They've shown good effectiveness at about 90.7% at preventing infection. And again, those of you who've seen these sort of graphs before understand these. This is the date of starting the study. The blue is the group that was vaccinated, the red is the group that was not. And you can see a considerable increase in the number of cases in the non-vaccinated group. And more importantly, perhaps to many people, it was studied in over 3,000 children aged 5 to 11 with no serious side effects. The third issue from the past week is that there is data coming out of Israel that the booster dose is effective at preventing hospitalization, severe disease, and death. Again, compared to 2 doses of the vaccine administered 5 months before, there was a 93% effectiveness in the third dose of preventing hospitalizations, 92% in preventing serious disease, and 81% in preventing death. Again, the same type of graphs. You can see these numbers are very small, but with 2 doses, there's a slightly higher rate of hospitalizations than with 3 doses. Same with severe disease, and the same with death. And finally, the last issue I've been paying attention to this week is that an interesting report from the CDC that immunization appears to provide more effective protection, more effective immunity than natural disease. In fact, if you take someone who has had natural disease, their chance of getting a second breakthrough COVID case was 5.5 times greater than someone who was fully vaccinated. So again, important information for those of you who had the disease, you are still better off getting the vaccine. So the issues from this week, the world has passed 5 million deaths. Now is a recommendation that the Pfizer vaccine be used for children 5 and over. The booster dose appears to be highly effective at preventing hospitalization, severe disease, and death. And immunization appears to provide more effective protection compared to natural infection. A great deal more information on the College of Public Health website. If you're sharing this video with anyone, please let us know. We're happy to add them to our mailing list. Thanks as always to Dara Young for editing, producing, and posting this video. If you have any questions, comments, criticisms, please let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next week, please be well. Thank you very much.